Today, I'm super excited to show you a cool trick about turning your regular videos into anime style using an AI tool. If you've ever wondered how those anime filters work, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Okay, to convert your regular videos into anime style, you need 3 things. First, a Discord account. Second, a regular video. And third, Domo AI bot should be added to your server. Don't worry, I will guide you on how to go through it all one by one. So, let's create a Discord account first. Just go to discord.com and sign up with your Google account. That's it, the first step is completed. Now you need a regular video that you want to convert into anime. I have this video of 2 dancing girls. You can try with any video you have. Now just open your browser and search for Domo AI. Find out the Discord link, just click it, and you will be redirected to this page. Accept the invite. Now, you need to create your own Discord server. You can generate without it, but it's very annoying, so I recommend creating your server. To create a Discord server, click on this Add a Server button. Choose Create My Own. Now choose any of these 2 options, name your server, and hit Create. Now, to add the Domo AI bot to your server, go to Domo AI's server, and in any of these Generate channels, search for Domo AI bot. Once you find it, click on it, and click Add to App. Now choose your server and click Continue. Now Domo AI is added to your server. Go to your server. Now, to create an anime video, just type video and click on the command appearing above the type box. Now, upload your regular video here and type your prompt. Just describe a little bit about what's inside the video and hit enter. After a short period of time, a settings panel will open. Just choose your animation style. I am choosing Japanese anime style, and then choose the duration. 5 seconds is recommended. Hit start. After 5 to 10 minutes, you will get your anime-styled video ready. Just click download button in the top right corner and download the video. That's it. Let's look at the result. Cool. It's looking quite good. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. More cool videos are coming soon.